Hey guys, what's up? Congrats, we have completed the first section of our ethical hacking series, that is basic Linux operations and basic Linux command. Today we will be entering to a new section, that is communication between the computers and how the information transfers, the OSI model and much more. This would be a theoretical topic, but if you want to move on with the practical, you need to have this theoretical knowledge. So let's get started. In this video, you are gonna learn about types of networks and wired communication. So, the first type of network is local area network. It is a small computer network that is only restricted to a localized area. It can only cover up to 1 kilometer. Example, your house environment can also be a local network if it contains a switch, a LAN cable, and laptops, computers, and two laptops, router and a printer, then it is considered to be as a local area network. And the second type is of metropolitan area network. These are the networks which are spread over a city. Example, a metropolitan area network consists of some of the office buildings, university campus, government buildings and residential areas. I hope you got this point. Okay, let's move on. The third is campus area network. It is a network made of interconnection of LAN network, that is LAN meaning local area network. It is smaller than MAN meaning metropolitan area network, but it is larger than LAN. It is spread between 1 kilometer to 5 kilometers. Example, the LAN or the campus area network is made up of example firewall, router and ISP and internet connections, and it is connected to a building A, a building B, building C, some schools, etc. It is of a campus area network which belongs to a particular associations. Note that there is also another type of CNE network, that is you have learnt about it, that is campus area network, and there is other type, that is controlled area network, which is formed when small electronic components from a network form a communication in a small network. We can see this type of networks in your car. Number 4 is the wide area network, that is WAN. The network which is spread across the countries, which causes the global communication. It is composed of larger number of small interconnected networks. Our internet can be a good example for the wide area network. I hope you understand or understood what is wide area network. It is very easy to understand. So I will move on with our fifth type of network, that is personal area network. It is a small network which is formed with the personal devices such as computer, mobile phone, router, tablet, Bluetooth devices and so on. And now we have learned the type of networks which are available in our internet. There is also another type of network calling intranet. Intranet meaning it is an internal restricted access network. It is a network that exists exclusively with an organization and is based on the internet technology. It follows the internet technology, but it is only available in an organization. It is a private network, but your internet is a public network. Keep it in your mind that in an intranet you cannot easily move in or connect to any type of servers. It is isolated from the other type of sources such as internet or any other types of network. Now let us move on to our wired network technology. Number 1, that is twisted pair cable. It is a type of twisted cable in which the wires are twisted together in pairs. The most common form of wiring in data communication is the twisted pair cable. I hope you have heard about the old type of TVs which do not have satellite communication. It was first established during due to the twisted pair cables. Okay. Now let's move on to second, that is coaxial cables. It is a type of cable consisting of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or wire shields, each separated by some kind of plastic insulation to isolate from any other type of noise. The inner core carries the signal and the shield provides the grounding. This type of cables is suitable for high-speed communication. It is widely used for television signal communication. The coaxial cable was founded before the optical fiber, and it was used before optical fiber for data communication or commonly for your internet communication. Did you understand this? Great. Now let's move on to our third type, that is optical fiber cable. I hope you have heard about it, about OFCs, that is optical fiber communication. Optical fiber consists of thin glass fibers that can carry information at frequency in the visible light spectrum or beyond. The typical optical fiber consists of a very narrow strand of glass called the core. The data is transferred in this core in the form of electromagnetic spectrum, meaning in the form of light. It sends the signal. Example, let's take the example of 10001. Okay, now if it is 1, the lights blink and receiver will get the idea that if the light blinks, then it is 1, and if the light does not blink for a certain amount of period, then it is 0. Okay, now the core or the light travels in a glass medium, so the communication is very fast. I hope you learned something in this video. In the next video, we will see some terms related to networking. Until then, stay tuned.